Hey guys, we are AKM and we present to you Fitness 101, the perfect guide to wellness from physical exercise down to nutrition. I'm Megan,
I'm Catherine. And I'm
and this is our very own fitness guide. So starting off, we're on our homepage, and from the very start, you can see we are creating a customizable workout plan, which you can go to right from here, these two links. Or from up above, you can go to any place in our website using our navigation bar. Now, right down below this is our mission statement, which you can see, which is right here on the side. And then right below is our already pre-made workout programs, which you can access directly. And right below are our featured workout people, where you can see from Lily Sabri, Chloe Ting to Pamela Reeve. And then right down below are some recipes, which you can once again access from up above or any of these sides. And then right, if we go back to the beginning, to creating your workout program.
This workout program is customizable. So depending on your own needs, let's say I am intermediate. If I go to this program, it'll take me down to the intermediate program. And then I can choose, for example, on Friday, I want to do upper body and core, and it will take me there directly.
Yeah, so now that we are on the intermediate workout page, see that there are lower body, upper body, and core cardio, oh, it's the word, rest and recovery exercises, and different videos from YouTubers. These can be accessed from the link that we just showed or from above with the workout videos in the navigation bar, where you can click on one of the anchor links, which takes you down to the different exercise types, which can also be taken to the See More tabs, which has more videos.
And then going from there, as you can see, these videos are currently loading. We can go to our recipes page up above. So once you get to recipes, it's just once again similar to thing on the very homepage where you can just access a bunch of different recipes from either right here, which is our latest recipe, or any of these where you can go to specific categories, or you can even search for a specific recipe that you're looking for. And then last but not least,
This is
Thanks so much for listening, and make sure to join us for your next fitness journey.